Okay, this is sorting algorithms called bubble sort. Basically, we have a lot of algorithms under sortings, more than tens. Okay, this is the first sorting algorithm that I'm going to learn. Uh, let us take a look of the overall idea for this pseudocode. I equal to 0 to n minus 2, and the second loop is j equal to 0 to n minus 2 minus I. Okay, now what is the logic behind it? N minus 2 minus I. This is actually the controlling part of the bubble sort. Okay, we have to trace it to appreciate why here we have an n minus 2 minus I. Okay, and if aj plus I less than aj, swap. So actually this is the process of the bubble sort. Look at this. Let's say I equal to 0, right, and j equal to 0, and now here until n minus 2 minus 0, which is actually until 4 here. So it will stop here. You stop here basically the j, and the first start is we need to compare this j plus 1, which is here, with the j which is 0. So 1 compared to index 0 here, from here to here. So if this less, if this true, then swap, right? But now is 8 compared to 2, false. Next is 1 compared to here, true, and true. Basically we replace here, swap. Ni swap aj1, and next is here 10 8 false, 3 10 actually true, and we replace here 10 and swap and 3. And finally, even though we stop here, and but here is j, the last is j4 plus 1 is still 5. Compare here, right? 5 and 10, which is true, and replace here, swap. I mean 5 and this actually this 10, this 5. Okay, so if we update the first round here, the array, the value change to 2 1 8 3 5 and 10. Okay, the next round, so here the next round will be I equal to 1. So this I equal to 1, meaning that 6 minus 2 minus 1, which is 3. So we stop here. 3 is here. 0 1 2 3 4 5. May stop here for the loop here. Okay, again compare j plus 1. Here 1 compare with the 2 here. This true. True means we swap this 2 1, and 8 with 2 false, and 3 at 8, which is true here, and true is we swap here this 3. And after that 3 plus 1 4, 5 we compare here, 5 compare with 8 is true, then we swap here this 5. Okay, after that we stop. So here is actually when you update that the array, so these are the new array, become the value change 1 2 3 5 8 10, correct, and so on so forth until I equal to n minus 2. So this is the process of the bubble sort. If you notice that this comparison basically compare two item like this, after that this and this, the pair of comparison. Okay, and after finish that, so bubble sort actually it will find the maximum value first and put in the last array here, if you notice that. And finally do again, compare, and this is actually the maximum, and put in the last index, the second last index here, until so on and so forth. So it become decreasing the maximum to minimum here. This is actually the idea of bubble sort. And in term of design technique or design strategy, bubble sort here, the technique here is actually brute force, because the brute force is just do it straightforward, which is in order to compare, in order to sort the list here, we have to compare two item here, which one minimum, which one maximum, minimum, maximum, and swap it. And finally, after we finish the round, that we call pass 1, pass 2, pass 3 until the end, and the list will get sorted.